Today guys, I will show you how to turn on or turn off Padlet notifications. So just follow and watch this video till the end. So if we go and open Padlet and we go right now to more section here and settings and notifications. Here is guys, there is no way how to turn on or turn off all kind of notifications. So to do this, you should go and open the settings of your device and right now go and click at apps option and search right now for Padlet and click. After that, click on notifications here and turn off it like this or turn on it like this. That's all. Don't forget to like and also subscribe. See you in another video.